Hello everyone, this is Han Cao, and this time we are going to talk about question 2. It's a blood tasting question. It sounds like a biochemical question, but actually it's a property question. What a surprise! So let's get started. This question is about that 100 people are waiting for blood testing for a kind of disease, and everyone has a probability of 0.1 to be positive, which means they have 1.9 to be negative, which means they are safe. So there are two methods to test each other, the results. The first one is, anyway, we don't need to look at that anyway, because the question didn't ask about it anymore. So we can look into method 2 directly. It said that 100 people can be divided into 10 groups, and each group have 10 people. We mix 10 people's blood and test the mixture, which sounds like a mixture of wine. Weird. And if the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative. Of course, they are safe. And if the result is positive, so it means someone or all people in this group has a positive result. So we have to measure them again one by one. So the total times are 11. So there are two events. The first event is they are all safe and their result is all negative. So there we only need 1 times. The second event is that we have to remeasure it again. So in the final, we have 11 times. So we are asked about the total amount of second method on the average. So total amount is decided by the event and the probability of the event. So there are 2 events, we just plus them. So the first event is 1 times, and the probability is the k equals to 1, which means times equals to 1. Actually, in my mind, is a repeated probability, which means each person's results is independent and they are all 0.9 with negative result, which means they are safe. So we just need to multiply them 0.9 10 times plus 11 times multiplied by their probability. The probability is that someone or all people in that group are have positive results. So the probability is 1 minus probability with all people have a negative result. So we can calculate based on this, and we can get a result with 7.5. But this is not the end. This is the average amount of testing in one group, and we have 10 groups, so we have to multiply the result by 10. So the final times is 75. So it means that 100% is 75 times testing in average. So that's the result. Okay, so if you like my analysis or my voice, or myself, you can sum up or subscribe it. I will upload more video in the near future. Thank you. That's all.